What's going on, everybody? It's December 22nd. It's a beautiful day out here. And I just decided when I had just the right amount of wind, I'm gonna come out and do a little kiting. We've got a nice little breeze from the south. I'd say it's about 6 maybe. I think it's about just right for this kite. Hey, Loon. What you doing, wild girl? Get him, Luna. Get him. Get him. Get him. She already found something. Get him, Luna. She's a pretty good dog. We had our differences when she was young, but she's pretty awesome. All right, let's unpack this. Now the wind's picking up a little bit. All right, here's all my lines. Pull all those out. Where's my cells? Cells are up. Should be able to build a wall with this really easily in this wind. It's already trying to do its thing. Wings do their thing, they fly. All right. Oh yeah, she wants to come open. All right, we got a little upside down edge here. Flip. Tangle, tangle. Nothing major. Come here. Okay, that should fix that. All right. Looking like we got something here to work with. Man, that wind shifted too. I am facing east right now. And totally, it's pointing me towards those power lines. Sketchy. We're just gonna get these brakes ready. Hold on to the brakes tight, because we may need them. You ever fly kite when you were a kid and didn't have enough wind so you had to run? You gotta do the same thing with this. Not today. Come on, brakes. Oh yeah, it wants to pull me to the moon. Darn, baby. Come on. I don't want to really grab those A's. That wind is really shifting. Oh boy. I gotta get it up in the air. It's gonna keep pulling me to the moon. Let it go. Here we go. All right. Oh, I got some air. Yeah. There's a. Oh, okay. Man, this ain't good. Let's see if I can bring it over a little bit. We got flight over here. Oh, jeez. Come on, baby. I'm going real fast. Oh, Jesus. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. It's a little windy for this today. See how that wing just came over on me? It got too much lift. Come on, straighten up. Straighten up, straighten up. Straighten up. Whew. Here we go! Shit! Ow! All right. Ow. Grab something. Come on. Come on. That hurt. Okay. Well, there's how far I went. Oh, I'm over here talking to myself. GoPro fell off my helmet. Huh. That was wild. But did you die? Nah, just keep going. Well, that did not go as I'd hoped. It doesn't seem like the wind is that strong. It's really not. But by the time I got out there and got set up, had a couple gusts pick me up, and I'm just gonna call it a day because I don't think it's gonna calm down at all. I found though that the more that I work and exercise and beat myself up, the better I feel in the morning. It's kind of counterintuitive, but after the car wreck, I kind of stopped working out. Didn't really gain much weight, a little bit, but I lost some muscle. Got to the point where I wasn't doing a lot of physical stuff, and if you don't use it, you lose it. I was getting up in the morning hurting, and now I come out here and beat myself up with this thing, and it feels great. I hope I don't want to break a bone, but man, I'll tell you what, it just lets you know you're alive, you know? Like getting punched in the face. Like, man, I'm alive. So, pain is just weakness leaving the body. Remember that.